Hello and welcome to CAC tutorial. All right. Okay, there is a good news, concerning CAC. CAC Corporate Affairs Commission has been working hard, to make registering business name very easy, for people, for our customers. Okay, and that's why they have come up with a new platform, which I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be giving you an overview of CAC new platform so that you can get used to it and know what some things means, and then know how to go about registering your business. Okay, so this is CAC registration portal. This is not the website. Okay, there's nothing on the website that is important. Everything about registering business, post and incorporate pre and post incorporation activities are done on the portal. Okay, now as usual, we have these 4 steps, but you can see that this one is new. Before it was coming soon, but now we have the post incorporation. Okay, so the steps as usual is step 1, which is public search, where you search the name that you want to register to confirm the availability before registering it. Okay, and then step 2, registration, which is reservation of name, where you reserve a name that you want to register. Okay, and then step 3, where you register your company or business name or an incorporated trustee using your availability code. Okay, but in this new platform, there's no need for availability code. Availability code might be needed for special case, maybe when you have to track your record with CAC customer service. Okay, but now in this new platform, you just click on, once your name has been reserved and approved, you can easily click on start registration from the approval folder. Okay, and that is it. Then we have step 4, which is post incorporation. Okay, this is the things that you do after you must have registered your business. Like, for example, changing your business address, closing your business, changing your trustees for incorporated trustees, and then changing directors for incorporated, for companies limited by shares and the rest. Okay, so post incorporation activities are things you do after. All right, so and then head over to this CRP update. This is a company registration portal. That is what is meant by CRP. All right, as you can see, this whole thing was done to meet with the newcomer, company and allied matters. Okay, 2020. All right, so and then we have company regulations 2021. Then this EDM is electronic document management system, which actually is how this new platform works. Okay, and then we have e-certificate. Unlike before, you have to, after registering, you have to wait for CAC to print your certificate, and then you go to their office to pick it up. There's a lot of process, to do that. All those frustrating process has been scrapped out. Okay, you can remember the issues of getting your document from courier service. Most time you call them, they are not picking up your call. You don't know how to collect your certificate from them, for people in Lagos and Abuja. Okay, but now all those things are scrapped off. So once your registration has been approved, you can print an e-certificate which is valid. Okay, I'm going to be showing you how that looks like. Then we have e-status report. So everything about registering the business. Okay, this one most times is for NGO. All right, you have declaration of statutory declaration of trustees. Okay, all these things you can do online. Okay, advanced search. Okay, you can search for company directors. You can search for companies. Find know the person that has the person with significant control and all that kind of stuff. So there are a lot of things that have been added to this new platform. Okay, so let me show you the e-certificate, how it looks like. All right. So this is how this e-certificate looks like. This is a sample. Okay, can you see that? This one is business name sample. This one is company sample. And then this is incorporated trustees. I think so. Okay, this is the company sample. Okay, there's no much difference between, business name, company, and the rest. But one thing about company is that you will get your team. So your team is automatically assigned to you on your certificate. Can you see that? Okay, but for business name, nothing is assigned. Okay, you still have to go to FRS to get your team. Okay, so let me go back. All right, so that is it for this new platform. Okay, I want to encourage you to subscribe to this channel, and I'm going to be showing you how to reserve a name on this new platform, and of course how to register your business name, your company, your incorporated trustees on this new platform. So subscribe, and then you click on the notification bell, and you will get every video that I do concerning business name registration. Thank you very much for joining me in this section of the video. Thanks for joining me in this video. See you in the upcoming video, name reservation. Okay, bye.